Here we have Gold Cap Gold Edge CNC board. This particular board is a gold edge board. You'll notice there's a nice thick gold edge going all the way around the board, and of course there is some heavy tracing in the center of it. But this is a gold edge board, where this here is a gold cap board. It has these chips on it that have gold legs and gold caps, as well as this board here. This also is a gold cap board. As you'll notice, there are chips that have these gold tops on them. So these are gold cap, gold edge CNC boards.